Hello, I'm Mike Sisco. Thank you for visiting my IT Manager Institute channel. My company's mission is helping IT managers of the world achieve more success. I spent over 20 years managing IT, and then in 2000 I created a company called MDE Enterprises, and MDE were an IT manager training company. I've had over 40 years experience in working with IT managers around the world. I created this YouTube channel called IT Manager Institute. In it, there are 4 primary segments. Quick tips that include short videos of 20 minutes or less, longer length videos in the IT Manager 101 segment, IT humor, we all need some humor from time to time, and whiteboard lessons. These are the 4 main segments in this channel. What we do is we do a lot of training. I've written a lot of books, tools and templates, articles, coaching, and consulting. I've been very fortunate to work with thousands of IT managers around the world. My training has taken me all over the world to places like Saskatchewan, Canada, Nashville, Tennessee. Here we have a class that's made up of 6 different countries, which is pretty typical of my classes. UAE, I've been to Dubai 18 times. Ghana is one of the countries, South Africa, Nigeria, and Tanzania. They're all seeking the IT Business Manager certification that I created with Belmont University in 2005. Here's a few students that are receiving their certification. In the last few years, I decided to do less travel and spend a lot more of my time developing recorded training so that I can make it available to a lot more people around the world, because a lot of people just can't get to my classes no matter where I hold it. I built a huge IT Manager resources library that now contains over 240 training videos, a lot of books, tools and templates from my IT Manager Toolkit and tools that I add on a regular basis, hundreds of articles from my 2 blogs and from my monthly newsletter, and articles that I've written for a lot of different organizations. I also do some coaching and consulting from time to time. Here I am with an IT organization from a large hospital where I did a consulting engagement to help manage the IT organization and help them find a permanent CIO. If you're interested in learning more about my company and what we do and our resources, take a look at my website, itmanagerinstitute.com. And be sure to subscribe to my IT Manager Institute channel while you're here so that you get updates. Thanks again, and I wish you the very best of success.